We're not in Florida anymore. So this old building used to be a machine shop back a while ago. A friend of mine purchased it a couple years back and been trying to decide what to do with it. Well, we're going to turn it into a makerspace. Now, as for where this is, it's out in a tiny town in rural Vermont. And yeah, there's a lot to be done, but I'm going to take you along on the journey as we renovate this and turn it into a wonderful makerspace for the community. Now, this old building is roughly about 3,000 square feet and has 2 floors. The main upstairs has a residence, which is where I'm staying right now, and downstairs is where we're going to build different shops and rooms for people to build all sorts of projects. So I'll give you a quick tour of that. This is going to be the main shop. As you can tell right now, it's a little on the cluttered side of things, but I moved all of my tools and equipment up here, and it's probably a solid 2-car garage-ish in size, give or take. And we're going to need to work on the ceiling, because it's this old, terrible drop ceiling, and we're going to work on the power, because there's like a lot going on with power. The person who owned the building before, like I mentioned, it was a machine shop, and it has a lot of, shall we say, good enough engineering in this building. So, yeah, it's going to be quite the process, but I'm hoping to take you along with me. So the first up video that I'm working on, I've already recorded it, is this water setup right here. So I've got this tank and this pump and this giant cistern back here, because one of the first things I realized when I got here is the water source. It's not the greatest, not the most consistent. There's an old spring coming out of the wall way back there, somewhere uphill. Who knows exactly where. We've tried to find it. And yeah, water's kind of important if you're living somewhere. So that'll be coming up next. But yeah, stick around. This should be fun. And until next time, be well.